Hello, I'm Steve from Pivotal Advisors. My question for you today is, are you on a leadership journey or taking a managerial walk? You've probably heard that a leadership is a journey, not a destination, right? While some people excel at it and become great leaders, others simply don't. They become often the forgotten managers or the ones that were just there. Signs you're on a managerial walk. More than 77% of organizations report that leadership is lacking. Surprising, right? Which is often due to people being on a managerial walk. You're on a walk if there's high turnover in your organization or the department that you're running. Your organization has been flat for some time outside of economic conditions influencing your business. Your management meetings feel like you're the only one talking or bringing good ideas. Finally, when you look back, no one's following. So what is a managerial walk? There's often nothing intentional about you, the leadership, about your new learnings, really studying ways to become better, taking actions, figuring out those best practices. You're just following some of the tasks that you know that your manager would want you to do, but you're not following your gut till you know it's to be true on what you should do. You're viewed as a manager of processes, but not the leader of people. We want to develop this awareness during this managerial walk so we can go to a better destination, which we'll get to. When you're on a walk, you often don't have much self-awareness. You're inefficient in such as accountability, communication, and diplomacy inside your organization. But instead, someone has to remind you of these key leadership traits often. You may not have this self-awareness because you haven't made yourself vulnerable to maybe a mentor or a valued business partner, or you've studied the best practices to what leadership really looks like. And you just may not have the desire to be the best leader that you can be. And that's okay. You can draw that line in the sand at any time. Things will look a little different when you're on a leadership journey. Signs you're on a leadership journey are: you seek advice from experts on various topics from different sources. The management team's always bringing you new ideas for innovation and ways for your people to get better. People mention how strong the culture is, and you actually see them live the culture and the core values out. But probably the biggest indicator is that you're on a leadership journey is you can step away from your business and take that sabbatical or take that vacation or take that time away from the business for 30 days or more, and your company will continue to strive and improve and go in a positive direction without you there. See, eagles don't flock. Great people, they're eagles. They're collected one at a time. When you have a team of eagles, your organization will soar. What is a leadership journey? Leadership is about setting the right strategic direction, understanding how to train your people, hiring them, make sure you hire the right people, and then train them really well. Train them on the right competencies for their job and beyond, and then allow them enough time to succeed. And that's a key point. Give them enough room to grow. You go ahead as a leader, add the proper motivation, and your people will be so great and so awesome, you'll have phenomenal results. So why pursue this leadership journey? Someone on a leadership journey recognizes those things, and they're always looking ways to improve themselves first and then better equip their team members in an intentional basis. By providing transferable skills, the leader can help their team get in the zone faster and stay there longer. In the end, only you can determine if you're on a managerial walk or a leadership journey. If you enjoyed this video, call or click today. I want to see you grow through your pivotal moments.